Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring hardware virtualization is active and your host is stable. Reboot, enable VTX or AMD VN BIOS, then power off the VM to change CPUs and memory. Allocate 2 or more cores and set RAM to roughly half to 3/4 of available host memory. Avoid starving the host. Once done, move the VM disk to an SSD and enable trim. This reduces I/O latency and yields immediate responsiveness gains. Next, focus on I/O and drivers because slow storage kills performance. Install paravirtual drivers, Vertio, VMware tools, or Hyper-V integration services in the guest. These replace emulated devices with efficient, direct paths. Convert or resize virtual disks to match your workload, pre-allocated for constant throughput, sparse for space efficiency. Compact or merge old snapshots and reduce snapshot chains. Long chains add latency. Make these changes while the VM is powered off to avoid corruption and ensure gains. Finally, tune the guest OS and validate host health for lasting speed. Inside the VM, set the power profile to performance, disable background services you do not need, and trim startup programs. Adjust CPU scheduling, use dedicated cores or set CPU affinity if supported, and enable ballooning or memory limits appropriately. Update hypervisor tools and drivers, then reboot the guest. If things go wrong, check the host for CPU steal, high I/O weight, or competing VMs. Resolving host contention usually fixes residual slowness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.